Yes, welcome back. Now, Super Boss and you they watch. And you don't hear all the matter people guys talk for straight. Because the matter what they talk today, and I say, if your wife born Peking, how you fit take hold body as a man?
Ugo, you know, say, person like Schumann, you know, go, person like the Schumann, I no go notice, they don't even feel notice when their wife born.
You know.
Because not like regular, they always fire everywhere. So even when the wife born, it even make any difference.
People like Schumann,
you understand? So not be everybody. Get some men maybe say no be anything, and then you get some set of men. I don't know whether Schumann still fall for that category. But I know say Schumann no go fall for that category if he marry. Some men they will be say they all marry their wife to get children.
True.
So sex no be anything. So na even period of joy for them. Excuse not to reach that place.
True. And funny enough,
some men will tell you say it's 5 months.
Funny enough, I be that kind of person where be say I'm not moved by sex. I am if I correct my wife now until she want them again. Now I go demand for her.
No married woman where you know go like to the crank always.
I would love to crank her always.
Don't tell me
why you come marry and say you crank your wife today?
I would not, because you know what? I am a very busy person. I don't get time for all this thing.
So you want tell me now say you go there extremely busy, you go forget to crank your wife?
I'm not a sex machine.
Wait, I want a woman why you come marry? No, wait.
For companion.
Companionship.
But say Shakara, we know himself. Why you bring me inside the matter? Why Shakara bring me? Of how? Say waiting.
If Showman stay 1 week, wait, no.
You see that go food for you see that man. We give that advice. Say me they wear rubber. He say me there for body. Now you because you have to wear rubber from that inside. I know something. Shakara say, look, more they realistic. The most men that the period where they go cheat with that. And if you always cheat before you marry, then it not gonna be any hard thing for you to continue. And that's why sometimes maybe women suppose, I don't know if I want to make them recommend that period, make women feel they tell their husband, say, see, there's a girl that I have.
How many women go do such a thing?
Take this girl. Did you crank this one?
I go want.
That's the truth.
I go want to
which woman want to share?
Our people enter street one day, ask people one question, say, why be say some men or most men know they like to crank their wife? You understand? Because it is very common. Wife will be because they don't use.
But you don't answer the question finish now. No, you don't answer the question.
No, why? Because if
they don't get used to them.
You can.
Let me tell you, we men naturally, we are adventurous human beings. We love to explore. We want to see new things. So that is why your wife has that plenty of job to always reinvent herself, do something new. I don't talk about here before. Sometimes she go dress like nurse. Sometimes
they born children, they take care of.
I have friends.
Just keep quiet.
And thank God for this. My brother, thank God for this generation.
Make sure they dress like nurse.
Generation of new girls now, where we get these girls, they're born Peking now. We have them in our office. We see them now. You don't know that they don't marry.
We they talk when you get children, school fees.
Yes.
Things, other things.
There are many women that don't grow. Should I count them?
Now you won't go dress like nurse.
Because Diamond is his opinion. Because
so in other words, you've told us that
excuse him to dress like
as an African man, we are free to go around and flex for what you are saying. Because you want new things.
Body since 9 months. So why not go body when I don't born?
Believe you go feel body. 9 months no be joke. Like my partner don't talk.
You should try make your whole body. For a few months, 2 months is okay now.
Well, the man go try now, as in he will just by being close to the wife, even if it's anything like romance, can actually keep him for a very long time before the woman will be set for sex.
9 months no be joke now, so you go feel body. He remains small before you go feel do.
I think romance is okay.
I should be able to hold his body. Yes. Ow! It's not a big deal. He should be able to hold his body.
I don't agree that girl. I don't like when girls they actually talk wetin they don't know about men.
Me in
How you
particular,
be say man suppose hold him body? E no easy.
No, but I want make you understand something too for now. You especially.
Wetin I do again?
I want make you know say we get men we go hold themselves.
And I am in that. Let me tell you, the joy of having my first daughter, because I don't have a first daughter. Imagine if a daughter from Buhari, give me a girl that beautiful. No. Tell me, how do you think I will cheat?
Continue with the show.
You want to
Excuse
continue
talk
with
like
matter we
Chris
talk about because in a kuku.
You see, if this God I serve change my, if this God I serve, the God of Daniel.
Why can
you know say Chakara, leave him.
If God make white begin,
you know say
wait. So oh God, you are saying.
Who go see? You know,
the stone the builders rejected.
Showman, you know, say me, I go even like that period where my wife born.
So that you go do
now, no, opportunity for me to renew our marriage.
Your lost sperm.
No. See,
your wasted sperm.
You know, say when you marry wife first, you know that first time, you
freshness.
to enter refresh.
Yeah.
But on call they do them every time. You come like say you want to be used to them. Then I go come that break. I see I'm as opportunity to make the marriage fresh again.
It's a. Let me tell you, no.
So I go there anxious to come back. You come be like new bride again.
You know what will bring you back? You know
after
what?
like 4 months, after 9 months of pregnancy, then I give another 4 months. Then the day I walk on it,
no, even the 9 months, even the 9 months. In the 9 months, you were cranking. In these 9 months, you will crank your wife.
No, be every time now.
But at least you were cranking.
Now once
at least
in a
you were cranking. Now only this space of either 2 or 3 months. But let me tell you what will bring you back home, man. Not be the saying to your wife. That's joy of say you get pikin. You understand? Now it's going to make you want rush go back out. So it will help your love the more. But when you see your products will come up from this woman, there's more temptation. We go going to make you want to love your wife the more. If you check most men they love their wives more when they for that first child.
Of course.
You can't make you want it, and the more you spend time in the house with that because of your pikin. There's a what's day bar now, you know this. You can't the rush go by house. The more you they see your wife.
Definitely.
The more you go one crank.
That's why they
So what can these women do to us?
See, the thing is, at that period, you know, say when your wife self just born, your wife needs you more.
Yes.
When she just born, she needs you more.
And another time, and women, and she go hold you like this.
At that time,
she go call you.
At that time, your wife go even know say yes, in husband love her more.
If na man will marry woman because of money, we say no be in spec be that.
If na man we marry man because of money.
Wait, make ask you one question. Make ask you one question. If na you, Shakara, if na
that's no
you
no go scared
if
now.
na you, woman will say, okay, now for money you marry the woman, for example, he can't born for you finish. That love what you get for that pikin, you go pass am to the woman.
No. If you marry, if you married, I know say sometimes things they change because of some wrong reasons people can't change into right, but not be all cases. But let me tell you. Most of these things, and I advise most men where they out there, if you know say you won't marry, I don't start to do it for the past how many months now in my life, no cranking. I stay off sex. You know why? Because you must plan ahead. If you never plan,
no alert. You know, I know why. Go on. And you know, there's a reason to everything. Every disappointment is a blessing.
No
alert, no enter.
Let's do what does what.
No be alert.
You tell me what I don't know.
No be alert.
But you don't know.
No be alert.
You're telling me you are staying up.
Because money
go full your hand.
Money you give a showman.
You know go cry.
Can man what does boy? This boy they pass me well now. Give me I must do. Una know say this one will carry give una true say what don't spoil.
Yes.
Before it hard before you go see guy of the age of 30, they run till we girl of age of 16.
My brother, but do you blame the guys?
But now,
Shakara,
you go see guy at age of 40, they pursue girl of 14, 16 years.
But you don't see.
And then here more room working.
My brother,
what to show you?
I have a friend that came in all the way. I don't want to mention the country, away from overseas. If you see this girl is 17 years old. And you never see any girl go get young yellow.
Not be that way you can do IT for where we do.
Onye, you mean? I can call her. No, I'm not referring to that one. Onye is a future material where we fit groom.
Not for you.
No, see.
I don't know whether for me. I'm grooming her.
The type of the Onye different. The Onye they see future fine
wife.
wife. You get some underage girls.
Yeah, where they don't big.
Once you see them,
They don't
when they waka
spoil.
come, eh?
You go know, self.
Then they invite you, self.
Yes.
You don't forget the waka.
And those girls,
They throw away Bobby.
they know they go call the do and they call the push up for your face.
now.
So that even you ain't don't tell yourself, say, God forbid, I can't
I
do
don't
it.
hear one gist
Before it don't happen, you
before.
don't
I hear
fall.
one gist one particular time where one girl go they meet one bro. Say, brother, every time I go come your room. I go even follow you play cook food for you. You know you they look me. You not even like Asade.
Can you imagine?
This story be like what's happened to them.
You know, to who?
Story. You know the year.
To who?
No.
I have never done it in my life.
wait.
I am
No,
a true
no,
son
no,
of
no.
my father.
No, they expose
I am a good man.
No,
You
they shout.
people
They
to
say-
stop
they say-
that.
What they shout?
They
bring
say
your voice
person,
down.
you know say that's
You
what
don't
they-
say you have confidence in me.
Yes.
Tell me, have you done
Your
it?
last word.
Have you done it?
Read Ogo. You know, say then go courts one time. One woman we been they always insult everybody for their compound. She dey curse. So when they for court, they want judge the case. Now in lawyer contact say, madam, we hear say they say you do always insult.
Na your last word
At the
be
come,
this.
they always insult people for your compound. The first way you man talk, who talks how they insult person? God punish that person. Even you, judge, we talk that we just hear God punish you. So if you argue like this, it is very obvious. Say you don't do this thing.
Your last word.
Yes, no. We be like so we dey change that last word because you say you will use another word because be like the person no wake up tomorrow. So they will ask you this last one. The way they ask me, I ain't gonna say.